Acura has had a tough time over the last few years determining its identity, but it seems that the brand is now settling on providing performance. At the Detroit Auto Show, Acura announced an expansion of the A-Spec trim, the revival of the Type-S moniker, and a new engine. That new engine is particularly interesting since it's a turbocharged V6, and only Acura will be using it. So don't expect to see some sort of Acura Type R with a crazy V6. Acura also revealed the engine will only be used with the company's super-handling all-wheel drive, SH-AWD. Type-S is another big deal, since no Acuras have worn the badge since the 2008 Acura TL Type-S. It will be a step above the current A-Spec trim, which is mildly sporty. Past Type-S models have always had the most powerful engines available. The company didn't give an estimate for when the Type-S trim will appear, nor what model will get it first. All new Acura models will have an A-Spec option in the future. The first new A-Spec edition will be the TLX with the 2.4-liter four-cylinder. The V6 version already has an A-Spec option. After that TLX, the new RDX will launch with an available A-Spec trim. The company already announced the RDX will have a version of the 2.0-liter turbo four-cylinder from the Civic Type R and the Honda Accord connected with the 10-speed automatic and SH-AWD. An Acura representative said that the engine has been reworked for the RDX, and it will make more power than the Accord with a 2.0-liter engine.